Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use AWeber Autoresponder. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, I'm just going to follow this article here. And this is how you can set up your autoresponder in AWeber. So basically, first you will be needing to already have like an email list and a sign up form. So basically on AWeber, you will have like the feature where you can start creating your list. That means you will be needing to start adding your contacts and peoples into AWeber, and also you will need a sign up form. So basically people will be uh, subscribing from your sign up form, and then they will be added into your email list. So after adding your email list and sign up form, you will be able to choose the template that you want. And after that, you will be needing just to go click on next step. So basically here in the creating sender name, you will add just the sender name, which is your email, etc. Next step. And basically you can name your list. Then you click next, etc. And here you will start like choosing a pre-approved subject. So basically, you will choose a variable name, for example, the first name of the person, and confirm your subscription, for example. And from there, you can start like having your sign up form. And after that, you can customize the welcome emails or the type of emails that you want. So by using this, you will be able to start customizing your emails, and then you will be able to start add them to your AWeber dashboard, and basically you can after that add more entries to your follow-up series by adding a follow-up series from your dashboard, and then you can start like having a recurrence, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.